Hi parents! Let's walk through how to check your child's coursework details in the parent portal. It's simple. In the navigation menu, click Coursework to open the coursework page. It shows a list of all coursework from you and your family members with key details like title, subject, and student name. The status column helps you track progress. To do means the coursework has been assigned, but hasn't been started yet. Submitted means the coursework has been completed and turned in. Marked means it's been evaluated by the teacher with marks and feedback provided. Completed means the coursework is done and marks have been reviewed by you or a family member. There are also late status. A missed deadline means the coursework is overdue and you might lose access to it. Delayed status means you are past the deadline but late submissions are allowed. To view more details, click on the row of the coursework you're interested in. This will open a detailed page for that specific item. At the top of the page, you'll find a coursework summary that includes key information. Scroll down to the worksheet section to review the coursework questions and your child's responses. This section also displays points scored for each and any teacher feedback provided. And that's it. Checking coursework details in the parent portal is straightforward and gives you valuable insights into your child's academic progress. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.